So, you know, a lot of people trying to be like me, but, you know, you just can't be like me. Ooh, Lil Pump, CB on the beat. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like me. Bust down big chains and dress fancy. Ooh, everybody wanna be like me. Spent 2K last week on the white tee. Ooh, everybody wanna be like me. Drop 10K on my Gucci bed sheets. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like me. Bust down big chains and dress fancy. Ooh, everybody wanna be like Pump. Everybody got fake dreads and love to take drugs. When you this rich, you do whatever you want. Huh? Yes, I'm hella ignorant, I don't give a fuck. And everybody wanna be like Ye. Everybody wanna go and smash Kim K. Ooh, yeah. You can talk shit about me every day, but I'm still rich at the end of the day. I take drugs like it's vitamin C. I'm a millionaire, but I don't know how to read. Nope, I'm a role model that these kids wanna be. Ooh, I just smashed a pregnant bitch that's overseas. Yeah. Walking around with my side bitch on a leash. I was 13 when I started sipping lean. Ooh, ballin' so hard, I feel like I'm KD. Yeah. Wear 2 Bush styles even when I sleep. Everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like me. Bust down big chains and dress fancy. Ooh, everybody wanna be like me. Spent 2K last week on the white tee. Ooh, everybody wanna be like me. Drop 10K on my Gucci bed sheets. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like me. Bust down big chains and dress fancy.
I'm me. So who you? You're not me. Everybody wanna be like Toon. Grow up to be like Toon. Throw up to be like Toon. No one can be like Toon. No, I can see Tycoon. And if the shoe fit, wear it. I can't if these not new. Little nigga, please. Y'all my enemies. But the kid is not my son. Shout out Billie Jean. You following my lead. My chopper isn't clean. And Lil Pumpy got the pump. I got the M16. My pocket stuffy. They gon' need some antihistamine. Niggas always bit the C. The bitches never bit the D. I'm pouring out the facts. So tell your slime relax. And she a catfish. And he a copycat. What the fuck though? Well, if you must know, I see these lookalikes. It's kinda sus though. Yerp. Young nigga from the hood with a plan. 1 foot in the street, 1 foot in the sand, 1 foot in the cleats, 1 foot in the vans, 1 foot in your ass, 1/4 of a Zan. Follow my footsteps. I give you instructions. Swallow, don't belch. You just drunk quintuplets on my 1 of 1 shit. I keep it 100. Boy, I talk my shit, then wipe my shit with hundreds. You can't stand like me. Rich as fuck like me. Little black ass nappy head nigga. Let me shout out India Irie. And ain't nothing like me. Mr. Dwayne Carter only got 1 ID. Yerp, I know that's right. You don't know that life. Stay in your own lane or make me bowl that strike. Yerp, everybody wanna be like me.
What's up, chat? I hope you guys are ready. We're gonna get started very, very shortly, so don't you worry. We're just getting nice and warmed up because we know we're going to have some celebs watching this one today. But don't worry, we got something special planned for them. So just keep staying tuned. We're gonna be ready. We're gonna show these little fuckboys how it's done once again.
Everybody wanna be like me. 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 Bust down big chains and dress fancy.
What's the difference between me and you? What's the difference between me and you? Back when Q was rolling with Lorenzo in a Benzo, I was banging with a gang of instrumentals. Got the pens and pencils, got down to business. But sometimes the business end of this shit can turn your friends against you. But you was a real nigga, I could sense it in you. I still remember the window of the car that you went through. That's fucked up, but I'll never forget the shit we've been through. And I'ma do whatever it takes to convince you. Cause you my nigga, Doc, and easy, I'm still with you. Fuck the beef, nigga, I miss you, and that's just being real with you. You see, the truth is, everybody wanna know how close me and Snoop is, and who I'm still cool with. Then I got these fake ass niggas I first flew with, claiming they non-violent, talking like they spit venom in interviews, speaking on reunions. Move units, then talk shit and we can do this. Until then, I ain't even speaking your name. Just keep my name out of your mouth and we can keep it the same, nigga. It ain't that I'm too big to listen to the rumors. It's just that I'm too damn big to pay attention to them. That's the difference.
What's the difference between me and you? You talk a good one, but you don't do what you're supposed to do. I act on what I feel and never deal with emotions. I'm used to living big dog style with straight coaches. What's the difference between me and you? You talk a good one, but you don't do what you're supposed to do. I act on what I feel and never deal with emotions. I'm used to living big dog style.
So yeah, what's up, baby? I hope you guys are ready for this one. It is going to be a cooker today. Let's get things started. It is going to be a good one, guys. So I hope you guys are ready for it. We are definitely keened in and nice and ready to go. It's time to get cooking, baby. For those, remember, guys, we are child friendly. We are family friendly. But that's if you're family. Otherwise, we are here to make money. We're here to stream. If you don't like it, there's a lot of other places. They're just not as good as us. But alright, guys, let's get right into business today. We're going to get you in the markets, and then we're going to take a little bit of attention. And Jev is back, guys. You've been asking. The man is here now.
Yeah, guys. Feels good to be back. Feels good to be back. I miss you guys so much, man.
No, it's going to be a good one today, guys.
Yesterday in the office, I'm so excited to join. Chris is like, no, bro, go home. I want to join the stream. Yeah, I'm back, guys.
Yeah, JV is in the house, guys. Yeah, the music is definitely a big part of these streams, guys. So again, otherwise you don't happy, you don't like it, just turn your volume down. Alright. This is our place, this is our building. We're gonna run the rules here today. But ready, guys, let's see what we can get cooking today. Let's see how it is. So DXY, we had a few news events coming out. We're gonna break that down quickly for you guys. So obviously we had the building unemployment claims coming out. Alright, guys. Just because JV's back. The boys in the house. Alright, guys, let's get right into this. So as you were saying, unemployment claims. You guys can see they came out at 220. So they are coming out basically a little bit under. So that wasn't as what we were expecting. We wanted that trend to come out. Keeks, did you hear about the beef between Mamba and Kimmelson trading? No, brother, but we're going to get you guys some beef. So don't you worry about that. We are going to bring that out for you. We are just going to adjust a little order. Yeah, a little bit more for you guys.
Thank you.
So we're just going to make a few little changes there. More man Keeks, more. There we go. Alec, seems like you are in a very complaining mood today. So we're not feeling the vibes there. Alright, but afternoon, James. Welcome back, Jev. Jev feeling the love today, guys. But as you're saying, unemployment claims coming out a little bit lower, so that wasn't really going to the trend. But again, we will price into it. So my thing is really DXY. If you guys see, we took these lows, but for now we aren't really holding it. So for me, this is something I'm not really going to pay attention to. It's not something I'm liking too much. I don't trust these lows actually being taken out. So I want to see what happens if we can either do something like this, reject off the weekly resistance, and then continue lower. I'll be happy with that bearish momentum. But again, this is what we said today. If you look here on the day, this is the battleground for the dollar. So it needs to try to put its feet in together if it wants to come back for this. Especially at least closing above the key level. So that's what we're going to be paying attention to on that one, guys. So DXY, we basically really want to monitor it around the lows here going into this Asia New York session. When we go over to gold, guys, gold ran away. So basically we had this retest of here. I think this was when news came out. There we go, 330. Very, very indecisive candle going back and up. Basically testing off this area over here, the 15-minute highs. So these were the highs from Tuesday, if I'm correct. Yeah, Tuesday. So those were those highs we need to get past. It rejected off there nicely. So for what I'll be looking at is, can we hold this 2035 area over here? This has been our area to trade. So we finally got right back above it. We want to see, can we hold this area today and basically continue, or are we going to break below, look for resistance? So today, guys, I'm going to be honest with you, we have NFP coming out tomorrow, so I think there's going to be a lot of consolidation today. So we might not even get a trade today. This is going to be quite a bumpy one. I'm already predicting that today, but we're going to see if we can get anything. So it's a little bit of a reaction day. Let's see on Nas, guys. Nas absolutely running already. She's been off from 11:15 this morning. I did give you guys that call. If we were going to start turning on Nas, this thing was going to be a bullet. If it didn't give these lows, it was going to go all the way back to get right back into this range. So that's nothing I'm really too worried about. But we are just going to monitor. We're going to see what it reacts off when it gets to the range again. Does it trade right back in, or is it going to reject? We'll see how that one handles over there, especially trading up to get the pivot and the EQ now. Let's see what it reacts for on Nas. But again, once it gets back into this range, guys, I am not really looking to trade any of these over there. US30 on the day. All right, so you guys can see now we've taken those lows. So the 4 hour we flushed, but again, I said I was very bullish to go up here on the day, having no top wick on the day. We literally opened up straight, so we technically closed on the money of this range, and then just flushed immediately downwards. So I want to at least see, can we test that range and hold that as resistance and trade further down, or are we going to get back above here and continue back up? So today's a lot of monitoring, but again, as I said, a lot of consolidation. Keeping in mind NFP is tomorrow, so going to be quite an interesting one, guys. But again, market news, fundamentals not really giving us what we wanted today. Nothing like a breakout, not taking out the minimum or the maximum. So definitely nothing that's really going to cause an upset in or volatility in the markets. But that's it from my side with our New York pairs. Jeb, what are you looking at, brother?
Oh, so pretty much the same things. I'm looking
All right,
at.
just all live, my man.
So looking at DXY, USD Yen, GU, and EU. Now I will say one thing. One thing I don't like about today is the fact that the dollar is basically dropping, which means that these lows are obviously weak. So it's very hard to say whether it will actually hold. And plus, we have NFP coming out tomorrow, so there could be a lot of indecision today. And then tomorrow, after that move takes place, then we will actually have those highs and lows. But currently, Asian highs not tested yet on the DXY. If we quickly go to the 4 hour chart, just to give you guys an idea. So we have this unmitigated supply zone all the way down here, and as you guys know, 2023 open, December open, weekly open all the way down here. So these three levels could become a magnet for price to actually push price all the way down. But what I would like to see is, before price gets there, actually go up to the supply zone and then only drop to these levels to potentially go to the upside or break through those levels and continue going towards the downside. So if you go to the 3-minute chart once again, you'll see that we have that low of the day deposit, and we also have this demand zone where price has traded into, and then we also have this change of character. On the 3-minute chart, we have this fair value gap. Put a fib on there, so price, hard to say, price is still moving all the way to the upside. But if I can give a guess, if I move it all the way and I put the OTE all the way over here on the high of my zone, price could potentially then move all the way to the upside until this level, 103.908, and then come down and test it and go back towards the upside. So if that happens, then I could potentially see something happen on UJ. But what I also don't like about UJ is the fact that same thing, very similar pattern, demand zone. We have institutional level 144.750, and then we have this little block over here which I've drawn out, which is the manipulation area or the low. 3-minute chart, we have that change of character that took place over here, and then we also have this fair value gap exactly below the institutional level, which is 144.750. Also, why I don't like it is because we are not per se in session yet. I know you guys always wait for the 50-minute shuffle. I call it the fake move beginning of session. So price could potentially go down from here and then go up. So I wouldn't per se want to force anything on UJ on this level as yet, unless I get another internal change of character, fair value gap to potentially go to the upside. GU has tapped my supply zone. What I like to see is, I would like to see price take out these highs once again, and then trade back into the zone, give me a change of character, displacement, and then only take the move towards the downside. Very similar on so we could go back to GU. Also, the pivot lines are perfectly at level. Slightly above it, we have 1.2600. That is a zone where I want to see price tap first before actually taking off on this move. Then very similar on Euro USD. Pivot rejecting from the R1, and then we also have 10800 all the way up here, which could be a zone where price could react off. However, on the 3-minute on this pair, now like I said, all depends on what DXY wants to do. We do have change of character, and we have this fair value gap here slightly above the pivot, so we could potentially see price then trade up, reject from here as well, and then drop. But from my side, guys, it is December. I told Keegan this earlier. I sorted out everything I could sort out. So my family's taken care of, bills are paid. So I'm honestly on holiday already. But if there's anything that's very beautiful, I will definitely enter it. But for now, purely monitoring until I find the crystal clear setup. Yeah.
Alright, brother. Alright, guys, so that is it. That was our New York analysis. Otherwise, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace and love, I'm joking, guys. We actually trade live here with you guys. This is just a market analysis. But again, guys, while we wait, it is half an hour or 15 minutes till market open. So we will see you guys what's going to happen then. But guys, in the meantime, a little bit of story time, a little bit of gossip sesh with you guys. So if you guys missed out on the London session, we had some homies here that we called out for some things, and basically they couldn't answer. Their response was to a brother in Christ of ours saying that there's just some personal stuff that we need to talk to them about, and there's nothing to talk about. My thing is, guys, if you have this massive withdrawal and someone tells you it's fake, my first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. I'll show you my dashboard. I'll show you withdrawals. I'll show you whatever you want to see. I'll even live stream it for you. I will live stream the withdrawal for you so that there's no hate. But you want to come up with some story that's saying, oh, there's personal issues, there's this, there's that. Completely ignoring, is the withdrawal true or false? Is it real or not? So don't try to come for us and turn it around. You guys threw the stones first. Again, if you want to hand it out, be sure as how you're ready to take it. We do twice, 3 times, 5 times, 10 times as more as they do, and we don't charge you guys nothing. We don't charge you guys for any of this. All we ask for is some likes. We give away some accounts. We have a good time here. We have the vibes, but nothing. So all I'm going to say, guys, is, you know what? We'll wait for them to actually give a proper response. Not try to hide behind these other comments. But how about this? I'm going to put this out there. Jev's my witness. Chris is my witness. Everyone's my witness. You guys all know I'm busy doing my second phase in my 100k account at the moment. And I said I will have that account finished in December. January, we will do the first payout. Okay? When that payout date comes, I will do that payout live on stream with you guys. I'm someone, I don't show, that's one thing. I don't want to show my withdrawals because I can show trades, I can show you guys all this type of stuff, but it's not about showing you technically someone's income, what they're making in a month, or what they made from that account, or whatever the case is. I know it can motivate, inspire some people, but I don't vibe with that. But that first withdrawal, I will do live on stream with you guys. That first one. You guys can see the withdrawal, when I place it, when it leaves my account, when my MetaTrader 5 will show you the account reset and show you the withdrawal being taken out. I will do all of that for you guys. And then it will be a complete checkmate. And we'll see how they can respond. This isn't a thing of jealousy, guys. This isn't a thing of envy. This isn't anything like that. We are just being real. And that's it. So there's nothing else to hide around here. I'll just show you my bank account, 100%, bro. But again, I want to see, if you want to do that, then show me a live bank account. Show me you go in, go out, all this type of stuff. Don't show me a photo, because a photo of a bank account and a bank account notification can be edited just as much. So it's simple, not even the bank account. Just show me your MetaTrader 5. Show me the account, it's live, and then show me the withdrawal. Simple as that. Show me the withdrawal from the MetaTrader 5. That's it. If it's fake, it's fake. It's fake, bro. It's not personal. He is mad because he's being caught. 100%. Keys, you still, Chris. Thanks for the trade this morning. Went in profit, up 1 to 3% so far. Beautiful, my brother. Enter gold shorts on the R1. I think DXY is going to pump at market open. It's going to be interesting, bro. 100%. Like DXY for me is going to consolidate a bit, yeah. But we might break below, yeah. Go for those Asia lows. So we're going to keep an eye out on gold. Just show us your account now. Make it transparent. It is a funded account I'm busy with right now. So if you want to see where it is in a phase 2, I can show you that. But there's no point. I can show you when it does the withdrawal. I don't see what show you when it's in the challenge does. How's it, gents? Can't be jealous of someone who doesn't even have what they claim to have. 100%. Show us the trading account. George, what? Like, do you want to see a phase account?
I'm gonna say something right now on the George Soros. I don't believe that's your real name. George Soros is one of the biggest investors in the world. He almost crashed the pound. So if you wanna live behind a name like that, you gotta act like that, bro.
Exactly. So did he not even respond to it? He deleted it. Someone called him out on his own channel about it. He deleted that message within like a few seconds. Apparently someone even mentioned it in his live this morning. They completely ignored it, and then came back replying to the bro on Discord saying he deleted the message for some other reason, and it came back that it is purely because of other personal reasons, but completely went off topic, saying it's personal, blah blah blah, not just answering yes or no the withdrawal is true or false, it's real or not. Surely you should show us your account if you call in on others to show them yours. George, you must be a retard, my brother, because you clearly are missing the whole point on this. Keegan Only, my man, we respect you and appreciate you. That's all that matters. 100%, guys. Again, yeah, they got. Yeah. Thing is, guys. So, like as Chris is saying there, George, to answer your question, we are not the ones that posted a fake withdrawal. We were never claiming to have this big withdrawal. We never claimed that. We trade with you guys. You guys yourself are winning with us when we win and lose when we lose. But you guys yourself see the results when you take the trades with us. But the biggest thing is, it's not about us. We are not the ones who faked a withdrawal. Chris and myself have never, even Jeff, put out there that we withdrew this amount and tried to show it off.
Actually, same thing I told Keegan in the office earlier. For instance, I'm not the biggest trader. Chris also said it the other day in the live stream. If I had more money, I would live a complete different lifestyle. I am proud of my 500 Rand I would draw on every daily or 2 days, you know. So like, why should you fake it, you know? Why should you fake it? Like, what's the point? Unless you, okay, obviously you're trying to sell something, but other than that, like, why would you wanna show off a fake withdrawal? Like, how will that actually change your bank account? You're just gonna put yourself in a position where people will view a certain way. Which, oh yeah, we said earlier, people go broke trying to look rich.
I've always said, guys, you can't fake a lifestyle. Now, I've always said to you guys, Chris, if anything, Chris is the big dog here. That's why he's the market bull himself. But we on our journeys. I'm still very young. I'm doing my thing, but I'm building. I said next year is my year, and I will let the results speak for itself when it speaks for it. But for now, you guys can just enjoy the knowledge and, like we said, the vibes and everything, and enjoy it with us. End of the day, we can still claim that we are profitable. That you can't take away from us. So yes, I'm not claiming that I make millions. Yes, I'm not claiming I'm this, but I'm raw and I'm real, and I never sold my soul to get to where I am.
Very well said. Very, very well said.
These guys are just you guys. They can't replicate the value you bring to the community. You guys talking about lol, Jay, my brother, Jay, friend of mine. The company should go after him. Why is Bull Compton lol? He should actually be standing for Jeff. Tell the Bull to go get the giveaway ready. I read for the giveaway. Don't spill your energy on wannabes and advise. Explain, prove yourself. Enough. Yes, marble baby. But that's enough, guys. That is our little gossip session over full time. As I said, we are the Peach Nation. We are the real ones. We live trade here with you guys every day. Good to see a proud gay guy. I love you, Keegs. Alright. George, you're a special man, bro. You're a very, very special man. Don't let the trolls bring the negative energy in here. Unfortunately, you are going to take bread off scammers' tables and they will piss them off. Keep up the good work, lol. George is salty. Oh. Unlucky, George. I mean, the fact you had to go with George Soros, it just shows me you also just a wannabe because you probably know one yourself. But alright, guys, no time for these little haters. We have got 6 minutes till market open, guys. Let's see what we can get. Mods, we're going to just ask you guys, take control of the chat there for now. Again, we don't need to focus on that negative energy. We had our fun. So people are stepping out of line. You guys can just deal with them for us. We're not going to give them that attention they deserve. Keegs, that pause cracked me. When are we going to get 4.0? Yo, bro, these Antons, there's a 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0. Taking off the bread off the scams tables. Akram Salmi, Keegs, can you make me a mod? Ask Big Daddy Bull over there in the chat if he'll make you one. Oh yeah, the pause did it for me. Oh, let's get those likes, guys. Keep in mind, 200 likes and we're going to be giving away a vault funded $5,000 account for you guys, just because you guys are the real ones. So go, those likes are up 200 guys, and we will be doing that for you guys. Let's get it, guys. Let's see what happens. So DXY coming right back. We see those lows not holding. Gold. We can see here, guys. We want to see this level over here. These 15-minute, the PRI, literally same area from yesterday, guys. We want to see how that's going to be acting on the Asia highs. But there is that possibility of Asia lows. The 80 really trying to start moving a little bit more bearish. Yeah, we can see that now. It took a big dive. That thing went skydiving at this point. But we can see, watching from Kenya, I love you guys. Always going to have you here, brother. Really appreciate all the support, all our international supporters. Let's see, Nas approaching that zone again, guys. Thing is, honestly, if this thing does break into the zone, okay, and can hold, that's typical range trading. Your TB, simple as that, can be the top of the range. That's just simple range trading. So you can look at something like that. Obviously, depending on what you're going to risk management. If we get something like that, that is something to look for. As I say, guys, I'm not liking it, but these are setups I would look at. I personally wouldn't, unless I see something amazing, like a nice setup. But as it is now, no. US30 the same. US30 is a bit more good because this is a support. So once you break that support, it's simple of just like break and support, break and retest. So we can look at something like that. But we'll just see from there, guys. But gold, I must say, has been having my eyes lately. So, because I think either way, if we can hold this, maybe have a bit more of a pullback, actually get an entry closer to the Asia highs to go long, we can get a nice move. And if we break under Asia lows, I think we could possibly even go down to take the lows. So either way, I think we could get a nice move in today, guys. Keegan, what's your favorite number? I see where you're going with this. But my favorite number is 11. But I can tell you now, I won't be choosing. Chris is choosing the giveaway number. Won't it be smart to start the funded account this month with markets or slow, or rather wait for Jan? Actually, the opposite. Because markets are basically a lot of consolidation all over the place. They start slowing down. Your fundamentals are all coming to like year wrap-ups, things like that. So a lot of you'll see actually traders don't trade in December because of that reason. Honestly, I want to take the sell, but want to hold for NFP tomorrow. Patience is key. It definitely is, bro. Hello, brother. Oh, professional song. You are back. I'm doing mine next year. With jobless dollars we saw, do you think Nas will open short? Nas is a bit of a... It's a bit of a weird one if you have to say how the news came out.
Sorry, guys. I see... sorry, Keegan. I see now... CJ said, Jeff is so quiet. Sorry, man. I just had to phone my girlfriend quickly. And then regarding Vince, you said Kate spilled some beans yesterday. What beans did Kate spill?
Bro, we are still trying to figure that one out ourselves. She was on the stream and I went out of the room.
By the way, I want to say, yesterday on the stream, you and Kate, what a beautiful sight to see. That was such a beautiful sight to see. That's really... I think someone said it. That was a power couple move. I must speak to Michaela. She must get his shit together.
I appreciate it, my brother. Much love. Nila, what you looking at, my brother? Let's see. What's Nila looking at? Let's see. EU. Okay. I'll back that one, bro. I'll back that. Yeah. Technically, and they would lean to my more bias on the bullish side of gold. So, no, I do back that, bro. Will be a nice setup. News came out good for the dollar. Yeah, but as I was saying to you guys, I don't know if I believe it, if that makes sense. Like, it's kind of like a fake out. Because news was becoming too predictable, it's making a trend. So, and especially ahead of NFP, it's just something I was a bit fishy about. Nas was playing with my emotions. Pro song feeling better, brother. Regroup now, yeah. I'm also planning on doing my new account next year. The market has been off for me the last 2 weeks, 100%, bro. That's what I said to the guys in London. Like, you know what? If I get like 2 trades in this week, I'll be happy. But as long as they're 2 bangers. If you know my keys, careful with the hairline. Trying to teach Kate Forex, bro. I'm already losing hair, yeah, my man. I said to people, that's my thing. Like next year, I want to go to Turkey, and go get that like hair transplant stuff. So trust me. I'm going to be paying close attention. I need to keep calm here. Why do you think Chris and I even monitor our heart rate now when we trade, bro? Minty, I still want that marathon next year. Guys, tap that like button. All we want is that $5,000 funded account. Yo, guys, don't forget about it. Yo, guys, not even at 100 yet. Come on,
we can
guys.
definitely do better than 100, guys. We can at least get to 150. I'm sure each person has a like button. I mean, I like the stream too, and I'm on ya.
Well, choose Jeff. She was fun, but I laughed when Keeks put her on the spot with gold. Shame, Keeks, no man. But she said she will start in Jan. Yeah, she's actually going to, I think, in December. As I said, like, that's where we even I take my time off from the charts, but I keep building myself as a trader. So I definitely think in that time I'm doing some work, back testing theories, new strategies, confluencies, like finding my iron. She'll put some time in there with me. So we'll get her going. I'll maybe enter gold at sells anything close to 2050, otherwise I'm staying out. Damn, Justin, I had a transplant here in the UK, definitely worth it. Bro, do you mind me asking how much you paid for it? Otherwise, if you don't want to say it, yeah, you can just DM me on Instagram. But yeah, purely because I know we were talking about the other day, I think car culture, you said to us, also your mate told you some stupid price, where I know that's way too cheap. But yeah, hairline may be gone, but the gains are real. Oh, bro, you know the way to my heart. Professionals on breathe, brother. There's nothing wrong with a losing day. Take it on the chin, analyze where you possibly went wrong, and be better tomorrow. 100%, bro. Jiv, did you read the book I sent you yet?
Car culture, I have not yet read that book. To be honest, I'm busy working on some ancient sacred geometry that I'm busy trying to like build the flower of life. I'm trying to put it into, instead of a 2D shape, I'm actually trying to build a 3-dimensional shape and trying to see how the lines actually connect and what shapes actually comes from there. So I haven't looked into any like market studying, more as to like the geometry side of things, and yeah, so I will get to that once I see how that, because for those who don't know, I actually do have a method, the open secret, which I am busy working on. Haven't released to the public or showed the public as yet. I think I showed Keegan this. That's weird.
I was gonna say, what the hell's the flower of life?
So remember that thing I asked Justin to code for me, and he couldn't code it because it's too complex.
Okay, I know what you're talking about,
Yeah.
but I had no. When you started saying this, bro, I was like, am I the only one here that has no clue what this brand is talking about?
So yeah, man, I've been busy with that, but once I have some time on my hands, I definitely will get to that car culture. You know, the owner who sent me a book, I think 4 books I have to read that you guys have sent me. So yeah, I'll get that. I'll get there.
Bro, I swear, like, I had not a flying kite what you were talking about. Honestly, when you were saying, like, something about if you read the book and you were going on about, no, you've been busy with the flower of life. Honestly, like, legit, I thought you were, like, trying to be like, no, like, you've been trying to make, like, a baby or something. I was like, where are you going with this flower of life? The man asked you if you read a book and you tell him you're trying to make a baby.
That's funny. But yeah, for those of you guys who don't know, the way we have our shapes, circles, squares, triangles, square shape, square, rectangle, triangle, circle, the normal shapes we have, it basically all comes from these geometric shapes like the flower of life and so forth. and these patterns cannot be denied. So if these patterns are in nature and the market is also a biological creature, I believe that there's a pattern there that could also be seen.
Oh shit, guys, 4 minutes past. We're a little bit late, rather late than never, but markets are open, guys. Round 2, fight. What's your hairline, bro? Just take fine seed, a little thick growth here. That's the hair. Where do I get that from? Do you get that from like a hair place, or like is that like pharmaceutical? Like where do you get that from? I've never heard of that in my life. My name is Akil, by the way. Y'all can call me Shaq. Oh, Shaq. I had a guy I played rugby with called Shaquille. I don't think this is the same person, but Keegs, how many times do you go to the gym a week? At the moment, my coach just put me on a new split. So it used to be 5 and I had 2 rest days. But I'll literally just confirm it for you. I think it's 6 now. So 6 times and 1 rest day. Let me just tell you, Monday. Yeah, 6 times, one day off, 1 rest day. The golden ratio, Jeff. I'll pop your message on Insta. Boots Pharmacy, bro. You can do a questionnaire and they prescribe it. Oh, okay, awesome. Now I'll try that out, bro. Not the same. Never played rugby, only football. Okay. No, I thought so. Not that I'm saying like I've seen you, but obviously like if this was a teammate of mine, I'm pretty sure you would have known me. But let's see, guys. Markers. We're basically anyway. We're still waiting for the 15-minute shuffle. So Nas getting into that range. Let's see what happens here. Oh yeah, sorry man, Razai. I remember you sorry, I did see your message and then we started talking about other stuff. I was 60 in the UK, but as it was COVID, but Turkey it's like 2,000, 3,000 GBP. So that's like okay. That sounds like that sounds legit. Yeah, that sounds legit. And like I know a lot of people. They say like it normally takes like three months or something like that before you actually really see the growth or like the results. Is that true? 'Cause I'm sure we all know Big Daddy C-Bum, he just went and got it done as well. But I know a few other guys also having it done. So like they've all said like the results are amazing, but it does take like some proper time till you see the results. Yeah, it all falls out at first and then you panic, then it starts growing through. Another guy literally told me the same thing. Yeah, that's where he was telling me it takes so long because like it's going to start growing and then it falls out and then it grows back thick. And that's that process of why it takes so long before you'll actually start seeing the results. Let's see here, guys. Gold, we're just going to have some alerts here. These aren't areas we want to be looking at. We can probably look back at that zone. DXY, we want to see, does it hold this key level, does it start rejecting from there? NAS going back into that range, and US30 rejecting the lows again. So let's see what happens. Keep in mind, guys, trust me, I wish we could give you guys banger trades all day every day, but you got to be patient with the markets.
Wait till I start my bank, then I become the market maker. I will give you guys all the signals in the world, like yo. Okay, guys, basically 90 more likes, and we'll do that giveaway for you guys. 90 more, baby. Okay, well, let's see, guys. Can we? Thing is, I'd love this if we can close bearish now, but I just don't like. You got the 200 EMA there. And then you got the zone, the 50-minute PRI, and you've got Asia highs. That's oof. If this breaks back above, then we can look for those sells on gold. So we'll see what we can get in there, guys. But I am wanting to look for that, guys. Trust me, I want to take a trade today. The terminal is ready. You guys will hear my. Where the trade, buy or sell? So gold at the moment looks like we'll get a sell in here. But again, we might get a buy if it holds. But then I need to wait for a reversal pattern. Okay, let's see what happens, guys. Anyway, as I said, we're still waiting for that 15-minute shuffle to come and go.
You're not eating anything yet, Jeff?
Oh no, nothing as yet. Mark's not looking very nice.
Nas look like a good sell. Yeah, the thing is, bro, if it rejects, that's the thing what I'm saying. So you basically got, what is it, the R1 is in there. But you just want to see once you back in this zone, once you go close in here, you can see every time we've closed back in this zone, upwards, consolidated, but upwards, it goes up. So again, it's just a thing of probability. If you look to the left, it's more likely it can go up if we do get a closure in here. So the biggest thing is you want to see DXY looks to be holding that key level, so gold should be coming down. There she comes. So let's see, guys. Let's see. No breaks as of yet, but we are going to be patient, guys. Looks like she wants to give it to us. Keegan and Jeff, how do you guys handle confused market flow? Is it experience? Is it studying patterns over years? Bro, so I always say to guys, you just need to look on the higher time frames, and even on, for example, the 15. If you just go out, you can see straight away consolidation to break it back to consolidate. So you're just going to trade in between ranges the whole time. So for example, if I did this on the 15, you can see there was a range over there. We broke out to just start another range over here. You can see that over there. So the markets are just very, very consolidating at this point, purely again because of the most likely NFP coming out tomorrow.
You haven't taken anything, okay? Keegan.
Nah, not yet, brother.
So to answer also that, Vince. So like Keegan said, he hasn't taken anything. I haven't taken anything. The best, if you feel confused, is to stay out.
Yeah. If you're not feeling confident, guys, you shouldn't be trading. Like I've always said to guys, firstly, if you're not taking a trade and you hesitant about it, you're questioning the trade, you shouldn't be taking it. And it's the same thing with the markets. If you're already looking at like, maybe, yes, no, you don't take it. Same thing, guys. And that's honestly, if you guys watched this morning session, that was Chris. He had the slightest bit of doubt, the GU trade, he didn't take it. Yes, that thing just took off like a rocket ship, but he had a little bit of doubt, just stay out. It's a typical thing. So if you've ever like raced or stuff like that, they'll always teach you, especially if you drive bikes, if you have to think about it, don't do it. It should become like a natural, it should just become a reaction, a reflex.
Also think about it this way, guys. So when I used to be naughty back in the day, when I used to do drags, I never understood like why certain people stay addicted and things like that. So my stepfather works with sound. So sometimes if you play with a frequency, you can turn the frequency, it can hurt your ears, but you can also tune the frequency where you can't hear it at all, but the frequency is there. Same thing, for instance, with a drag. Sometimes they fine tune it so it affects your thoughts, but you don't pay attention to it. So same thing also, my point with that is the voice in your head. You can't make it louder or softer, but there's also I wouldn't say there's more than one voice in your head, but like try and listen to the subtle voice as well. So if you want to tell yourself, okay, I want to enter this trade, but there's a voice in your head that goes, oh, but this and this and this, and you know, what about if the moment you start having all those thoughts, cut it. I actually told Keegan about this earlier as well, and maybe this is my advice for you guys as well. If you ever in a trade and maybe price starts heading towards your stop loss and you feel like I should adjust my stop further away from my entry, maybe it turns around, or vice versa. Let's say for instance you are in profit and you want to move your take profit further away so you can make more money per se. That's the same concept as that voice in your head. The moment you give into that thought, you've really given into the greed. So your mindset should be fixed how you enter this market, and it shouldn't be affected by anything else. Don't let circumstance define your trading. I hope that explanation makes sense.
Yeah. Carl Kosher, what are you in again, my brother, that you are saying that? Are you in gold bars? Because you wanted DXY weakness. Hey, just confirm what you're saying that there.
Wait, who now? Who's that, Keeks? Someone in the
Alright,
chat.
guys, I am waiting for these sells here. I want to get in here. I just want to see how reacted Asia highs. You should remember now when Chris said that the pair, I think GU candle didn't close above yet. It went bullish on the next candle, but he stayed chill, not taking trades. So True Keeks and Jeff, powerful thanks. Actually short from the R1. Oh yeah, okay, no, yeah, brother. I'm with you. Like if this breaks now, I would actually like to take some sells here. Sure, my brother. Mark psychology plays a part as well. Yeah, 100%. Yes, guys, is this thing gonna run now without us? Oh, flipping out.
Also think about it this way, guys. Everything that exists on planet Earth, a computer, a phone, a car, anything has taken place in someone's mind before it manifested in the real physical world. Same thing with your profit. So before you become profitable, you have to become profitable in your mind first. And that doesn't mean you should just envision yourself being profitable, but your ways of thinking should be that of a profitable trader. And those results in your mind will manifest in your reality. As they say, as a man thinketh, he becomes.
Oh, just pull back a little bit. Pull back a little bit. I'll take this if it pulls back. Come on, pull back. Yes, sis. What? Come on, man. Yeah, Chad. We said if a flippin' close below. Wow. Why do I do this to myself? Yes, it's car culture, bro. Bro. You're gonna give me some FOMO here, bro. Let's see how she actually off Asia lows. DXY though. Oh, rejecting a bit again. Very interesting. Oh geez, oh, I'm done for the day. Yes, guys. I opened 2 lots in gold. Danielle, you should be smiling now then. You should be smiling. Jeff says they're all quiet and then Pandora's box open and he tells us the meaning of life. Should write a book, Jeff.
Nah, give it some time. The book's coming. The book's coming. Just give it some time.
Live to trade another day, Keeks. Not 100%, guys. It's just you. When you like, you know you want it. You there, you sitting, you're waiting, and then you flip and miss the thing. But I think it was manipulation. Bro, that one candle hit my TP. Oh, my man. Trust me. Yes, I don't want to be in that trade. I wanted to be in that trade. Do you guys trade the Rand or USD Vault Funder? I have a Rand Vault Funder account. And you can trade either one. Let's see what happens right now, guys. Pull back incoming. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Keys, what would you have set as TP? So, bro, I would have honestly just monitored Asia lows. This would have been like my TP1 because obviously we want to see it was untested. Now that it is tested, we want to see it. I think it's going to break personally. Then you can be looking at that weekly support over here. So even 2023 to come back down to here and see how it holds over there. That would be me personally, bro. Yeah, see guys, so Nas is rejecting that zone. I think it's DXY is playing a bit of games here. Cheers, I'm holding one position from the wick now. I had the 200 MA. Oh, bro, I think you can definitely hold. My 0.01 didn't make much, but I got it, and it's all thanks to you, Chris, Keegan, and Jev. You guys know these prices. Thank you. Such a pleasure. Smash the like, guys. Yeah, please, guys. All we ask for is you guys drop a like. There's 181 of you guys here, 130 likes. If you guys just have to take, each of you drop a like there, we can be doing that little account giveaway for you guys. A $5,000 Vault Funder account. So just drop a like, guys, and you can go for that account. So DXY seems to be melting again. That's interesting. As I say, guys, markets are going to be very, very choppy today. Yeah, it's markets can get quite rowdy here today, guys. Nas coming to the party a bit. US30 looking to hold. Let's see here, guys.
Dabbles in a few what, Minty? What do I dabble in?
DXY just flipped. Did it, bro? Oh. DXY gonna bring the pain. Let's see what we do here at Asia Lows, guys. Different pairs.
Oh, different pairs. Oh yeah, definitely.
Alright guys, we're just trying to see what's happening here. As I said, markets are consolidating, so we're not going to try to force something unnecessary.
Yeah, and also NFP coming out tomorrow. This happens almost every month before NFP day or before a big news event.
Yeah.
We're almost at 150 likes, guys. Only 3 more likes to go. Then we're at 150, and only 30 more to go for 180.
Guys, I'm going to take a very small sell entry here. Just, I don't know, something's giving me a little bit of a gut feeling this thing's going to flash. I could be wrong, but yeah. I'm taking a very, very small entry, 0.5%. With a nice big stop. Let's just see what is the exact entry. Good luck, big man. I'll shot, brother. Let's just see what happens here. Okay, let's see how this thing goes. Obviously, it's going to try and hold these Asia lows, guys. So, obviously, there will be a bit of a contest here. So, that's what we're just going to watch out for. See how we react here. We've got the EQ, the daily pivot, and Asia lows basically all together. So, we will just see how this runs. Yeah, I think it's for me, bro. When you look at that 15, I mean, those 15 minutes are just flashing, especially now if this thing does close under Asia lows. Then so let's just see on the 15 where this thing closes, when this 15 does now. Why your weekly support at 2023? My weekly support, because that's what it is. Your weekly is on the 4 hour. No, it's a little bit off. Well, it's still 2023, but yeah. Yellow folder news in 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm not worried about the yellow folder, brother. So we'll just see how this 5 closes. As I say, guys, this 5 closes above Asia lows, I'll kill it. As long as we're closing underneath, I'm happy. Do you use Oanda as a broker? Yes, I do. Yeah, so don't worry about where it closes. This thing's just going to turn around already. DXY still holding above. Dear, so I just hold there above for us. Closed above, guys. I am out of the trade. Let's see. Looks like it's going to, but as I say, guys, we close above. I am out of it. Okay, close above, guys, so I'm out. I'm not gonna hold that. Very, very small loss. Like literally almost nothing basically. But that is just rather risk management for me. So we'll just see what happens there, guys. What's the NYSE for a trade just got on? Well, we're not in the trade anymore, bro. We killed it. DXY is still holding, is going. It can go bearish, but we just killed it there. Like very, very little drawdown. Purely just because I was like, I didn't like that we held Asia lows. Like that's honestly all it was. Now you can see there why we closed out on that. Let's see. All right, guys. 157, so what's that? Basically 40 more likes, guys. We can do that account giveaway for you guys. These analysis was a bit FOMO. Are you guys looking for anyone setups or has volatility made us push and move for the day? Not volatility. Markets actually have been volatile. Other than yen pairs, they've been. Everything else, not really. How does the account giveaway work? Once we have 200 likes, we will just do basically write down a number. Once we say start, you guys will start entering all your numbers, and whoever can get the number, you'll be the account winner. Gold, can I buy now? I wouldn't just jump in on that. I mean, yes, you hold in Asia lows, but I wouldn't just jump in on that. How many digits number? We'll tell you guys when we get there, guys. Let's get there first. People acting like lost. What? What was a pool there on point XA? People acting like lost money. I still believe in the short keys. It's about entry now. We need this wick. 100%, bro. 100%. Thing is also we need DXY to break that key level.
From my side, I think DXY is going to drop from here because we had a break of structure, and then that 15-minute candle with that massive wick, that wick is a supply zone. So I think drop from there into that demand zone again. I think it's going to hold this little zone, consolidate, pick up orders. Yeah, like play around before NFP. Can't force it.
Yeah, as you say, guys, it's markets are really just gonna move around. These were 61.8 on the fib retracement. Well, I mean, it depends where you pull in the fib from. Because mine, I'm not getting it. I don't know where you pulling it from. Because that was there. That's your how. That's what I say, guys. It depends. Because now, which high point are you taking your fib from? Drill on the 5 minute. Yeah. Anything is, guys. 5 minute doesn't really work with fib. Fib is based on higher time frames. Breathe air and relax, Chad. Let's go, boys. Yeah, guys, like, don't worry. We'll get something. We will get something. Thing is now, like, if this thing comes down and breaks this again, guys, that's an even better entry now. See, all depends what DXY is gonna do and what gold, guys. You can see just how choppy these markets are. They are all over the place. Really are all over the place, guys. Let's see, 166 likes, guys. There's 34 more. 34.
G was very tempting on my side.
Gee.
Yeah, I'm tempted to go long on it. Quickly share my screen.
I'll share your screen for you now, brother. You're alive.
Okay, awesome. So technically this over here is a break of structure because we do have the full body candle close at this level. So it could indicate that the XY wants to continue pushing towards the downside. Like I said, down here with this open prices, that could become a magnet for price. And seeing that price has mitigated this zone over here, it's one of two things. Either price pushes down, touches this and goes up, or alternatively price will push all the way down through that level. So with that said, I know DXY has to push down. GBP USD demand zone from the Asias, liquidity has been taken out at this level, this wick, and then change of character, and here's that little fair value gap at this level, so right over here. Now the only thing on this is what I don't like. Initially I would like to enter from this level, but then the only thing is we have all the stop to the downside. Now price could obviously trade within the zone, have some pullback, but alternatively I would like to take it from this level and have a very tight stop of like 6 pips, and then we'll target all the way up to the R1. TP of 44 pips. So if that could play out, oh, there it comes. There it comes. Let's wait and see. Oh, don't take it yet. Let's first see how this candle's gonna close. This 1 minute candle. Oh, don't leave us. Okay, that candle closed and it's leaving without us. So we just missed that, unfortunately.
Oh.
I think what I'm gonna do is I'll place a buy limit exactly at 1.25500, and then I'll have that 6 pip stop from there.
Nah, that can work, bro. That can work. Let's see. Oh man, it was unmarvel yet. There we go. The markers are choppy, you know nothing. Oh, Jenga, good to see you back, brother. The dipshit of the channel. Keegan, you have a lot of wisdom. I pray that wisdom will honor you with her wealth and prosperity in Jesus' name. Amen. Really appreciate that. Message means a lot. I was getting on that Nas trade. What I miss, bro, that thing's just hovering around the range. I really don't like it over there. US30, as I said, we wanted to go long there, but again, not giving us confirmation. It's just melting off. So just being a bit of one of those. So yeah, the pairs over there, guys, I'm not, oh crap, the pairs over there I'm not happy with. So as I was saying, we're back in the range over there, guys. US30, we over here, so it's just been a bit of a all over the place one today, but we'll see what happens now, guys, if we can get that closure below Asia lows now. Every trader, Jeff, I've taken a buy on UJ. My TVS, what's your opinion on it?
A buy on UJ. I second that. But now be mindful, DXY could potentially push down, and seeing what USD yen did on that last 15-minute candle, previous one with that wick to the downside, the lows are weak on USD yen, so price could easily continue pushing to the downside and then only reverse when DXY gives you that fair value gap on the 3-minute of it. So just be careful on USD yen if you are buying it. Not saying you're wrong, but I wouldn't take it. For me, there's no confirm on USD yen. Yeah, and to see a change of character must first take place at the 144.946. So price must move about 30 pips to get there. Yeah, so not my cup of tea right now. Damn it, guys! Damn it! We missed GBP USD. So price has moved on the leader pending order, because in cases like this, if it comes back, it's gonna stop us out. So instead, we miss it, and it's just one of those things.
Let's see, guys. Let's see. Yeah, I just want this flush here, but DXY does not come to the party for us. Come on. Let's see here, guys. Come on.
Okay, awesome. Glad you caught GU, man. Glad you caught GU. Just from my side, if you're in that trade, you can really start moving your stop slightly below your entry. So if you entered exactly at that level, I would say you can start trading your stop. Minimize that risk.
Come on. Okay, and we close below Asia lows, guys. DXY just not helping us here, but we'll see what we get. Oh, guys, it's like we're just not going to get an entry today. Markets just don't want to give us anything. DXY absolutely going down now. Let's see, Chad. $24, 25 more likes, guys. Come on. Oh, Chad. What trades have we taken today? We took this quick little sell there, but we didn't get the closure, so we jumped out of it. But that's about it, guys. That's all we've taken. Yeah. I think markets, I said to you guys before we even go into the analysis, that they're just going to basically range today. Gonna be a very, very rangy day today. If the 15 closes below the 30, which is at 2025, I will give it a shot. Otherwise, I'm out at 10:30. Hey, there DXY flashing a bit. Will we see some type of reaction on gold? Yo, gold not even reacting for us, yeah. Got an EU reversal on the 5-minute target high of the day. Yo, guys are going for some big trades here at the end of the day. DXY still melting. We just need to see what gold's gonna do here, guys. Gold's either gonna reject here or it's gonna melt. Like, it's gotta do one of the two. So we just wanna watch it, see what happens. DXY, if DXY has that closure below, guys, that's what we're gonna pay attention to as well. Because then this thing could flash for the lows. Let's get it, guys. Like the guys to get the algo. We're taking over 2024 100%, bro. You know it. You know it.
God L's asking if we can check GU. We just checked GU.
Yeah, like we literally did a few minutes ago.
And we took a. We were supposed to go. I didn't take a buy, but I know Masai took a buy. So yeah, we missed out on that one.
Oh, there we go. We said gold's gonna have to react here eventually. Gold just running there, guys. Gold just running. DXY dumping. Yo. Is this the moment, guys?
Just quickly from my side, guys, if we did take GU, just go break even on it. Just in case you guys think I'm gonna update you on that. That's your update. Go break even. It's now in your hands.
That's your update? Long on EU. Oh, Nelly, you're gonna go. Oof, that's nice. Naughty, naughty. Nice entry, brother. Very, very nice. DXY keeps just going down. You are styling there, bro. Gold. Guys, I honestly, like I said to you, the market's a bit all over the place. I don't think I will take any trades today. Just no point in unnecessary stuff. It's going to consolidate, as you've said, and NFP tomorrow. So Nas back in the range. I wouldn't look at anything. US30 going to break above this range, but Jev,
Yes.
there's still nothing you're looking at.
Nothing on my side. Want to see what DXY does when it comes to this initial zone. I was looking at in the 3 minute, that fair value gap at 103.750. So I want to see if it gets there and holds. But now the only thing with that is GU and EU is not at that level yet. We want to see that revert. Okay, EU maybe might get there in time with the DXY. But yeah, not looking to force anything, to be honest. Yeah. It's really not hard to tell. It's just the idea of what the market could do. There's a lot of risk right now. It could do whatever it wants.
Yeah. Like, I mean, guys, again, just like DXY gold, that thing has no idea what it wants to do. Oh, update from Nidia. Let's see where he is. Hey. Not bad, not bad. What's DXY? DXY trying to come back. I think that thing's gonna have a hard fight. That thing's gonna have to fight for its life. But yeah, guys, 24 more likes. That's just it, guys. 24 more likes, and we can do that account giveaway for you guys. 24 more likes. Gold holding spicy could liquidate grab on DXY. Yeah. Bro, I am more bullish on gold, so I personally I would love to see gold flush, but I'm gonna have to see. Buy Nas of yesterday's Asia highs. What do you think? Well, you're in a range, so for me personally, I'd rather wait. If you want to buy from the high, I'd rather wait to get above the range and do something like that. Come with the likes, guys. We need to support our boys. Guys, again, the support is awesome, but it's literally to give back to you guys. Literally to give back to you guys.
Let me spam some grooves. Oh, they really blocked me from spamming them.
Okay, but it does look like DXY is rejecting the weekly resistance. So that closure below retest, and now it is actually resisting. So we can see what happens here. Nas going to continue up. US30 up. Gold should be up, but again in a mind of its own right now. So you just got to be patient with gold. It looks like. Keegs, would you be down for a friendly trading challenge? We could do something in the new year, bro. I'm not gonna, as I said, I'm not trading that much. Keep in mind, I literally have Friday tomorrow, which is a Friday, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and that's it for me. So yeah, maybe in the new year we can definitely do a challenge, bro. Tuna nice giveaway, guys. Yes, man, I need to win. Yo, guys, up to you guys. Only a few more likes. All up to you guys. The power is in your hand. You guys are in control of this. $20 for free, kind hardly a big ask for the boys. Hit the like button. You're back. There we go. Gold back in that Asia highs. Gold absolutely just bringing the pain now, guys. Gold bringing the hurt. I'm guessing DXY died. Or it is dying. Power of the thumbs. That's it, guys. 20 more likes. $20 more, guys. 20 more. That's it. That will literally just be it, Chad. While we wait, guys, because I know you guys are going to do it. I know you guys are going to give us those extra few likes. We're going to bring the volume up a bit, guys. Alright. I hope you guys are ready for it. Let's just bring the volume a bit. Let's see how it goes. While we wait, guys, only a few more likes. What's it? 18 more likes, guys. 18. And we can do that giveaway for you guys. Alright. Come on, guys. Just do it. We want to give this to you guys. I hope you guys are ready for it, though.
The likes are coming. The likes are coming. Only a few more to go. And also remember, guys, if you know any friends, family, side chicks who wants to trade, have them subscribe to the channel. I know when we get to 5k subscribers, we're also doing a giveaway. I myself personally will giving someone 500 rand as well. So subscribe, like every day, and you'll increase your chances of winning every single time you get into the stream. Let's get there.
Oh, Nilo, we redeemed mute this morning, bro. We redeemed it. It seems to work with the buyers now. Guys, the numbers aren't on yet. We haven't chosen numbers yet, guys. Oh, my word, Chad. We are still waiting for you guys to get 200. 30 more likes, guys. 30 more likes.
DXY is in the fair value gap now. Let's see how it reacts. Let's see how it reacts. Euro USD is also almost at that fair value gap as well. You could see some reactions. Gold broke structure, leaving a fair value gap. Will we see a bullish gold as well? Only 9 more to go, guys. 9 more to go.
Come on, guys, get those likes up. You are nearly there, Chad. You are nearly there.
Oh, only 5 more to go. Only 5 more to go.
Come on, Chad. You guys are nearly there, baby.
Michelle, what do I think of Michelle? I'm not sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name. What I think of the power of 3. You have to be more specific what you mean by that. Are you talking about the power of 369? Or because there's different theories behind it as well, as far as I know.
Guys, I think we just found out the secret. The new secret to mute is mute makes the dollar go down. That's what it is, guys. Mute makes the dollar go down. We found our secret weapon here, the 2Gs. Come on, guys. Key close above and retest. Bro, I'm looking at the longs, eh? Like, I'd like it. I would really like it. Is that the number? No, they can't see it.
Oh, accumulation.
Alright,
legend
guys.
print. Oh yes. I fucks with it. Power 3. I love that. It's also called AMD. Accumulation manipulation. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, or it's also called AMDX. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, X, reversal or continuation.
Alright, but yo guys, you need 4 more. 4 more. We've got the number ready for you guys. 4 more, guys, and we got this. We can do this giveaway for you guys. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. I hope you're ready for this one. We're nearly there. It is 200, baby. 200. 202. There we go, Chad. It is time. Time for a giveaway, baby. Let's see who can get lucky here today. Alright, guys. You ready for this one? Okay. We're going to do the giveaway very, very shortly, guys. This is just for our brother there when we're going to play this one. But, alright guys, before we get into it, we're going to give you guys the rules here. You guys know how this goes. So, Chris is listening in here. Guys, I never gave a number.
Yeah, I was about to ask now, like,
they
way above the range, someone here.
Okay, Chad, Chris, if you are there, can you put slow mode on for us? We just need Chrissy to put slow mode on. We're going to wait for that to happen, guys. Otherwise, this thing goes absolutely crazy. Chris. Oh, there we go. He's on it. Jeff, just show them the number so they can help us look. Just show them on the glass that they can also look for it.
Oh, okay. This is your number, no?
No, it's the one you chose.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's only the one number we're doing. Just so that they know what to look for. No, I need to see it as well. I just want to show them so they can help us look on the. Yeah, does Chris know what it is? Alright guys, and we're gonna sort this out. I promise you we're not going anywhere. You guys are gonna get this. We just have some technical difficulties here. No, hold on. I don't know what I'm looking for. I can't remember the number. That's why I need to see it. There we go. They are finally done, guys. Okay, that took a while, but they are done. The range. Alright, guys. The range is 200 to 300. Alright. 200 to 300. Now, when I say start, you guys can go already. You got this. Guys, whoa. Anything you guys have put here now before I say start, it doesn't count.
Wait, guys, just hold on.
Hold on, guys. Hold on.
Hold on for a second.
Only when I send the start message, these numbers are going to type. Then they're going to count, okay?
I think that's a good idea. Minty says when you start,
yeah,
type
I'm
start.
going to type it. That's how we do it.
Okay.
All right. So, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it, Chad.
Yeah.
Just
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Oh, come on, Chad. Come on, Chad. Who's going to get it?
You guys are so close. You guys have been missing it.
They're getting close. They're smelling it.
Oh, someone got it. Someone got it.
Whoa.
A Neil Esterhazen.
No. You joking.
I'm serious.
Okay, whoa.
He's the first one to got
Guys, okay. We have a winner here. Neil Esterhazen. Chris, correct me, but Neil, is this not like your third time you've won now, bro? Do you have like a camera in the office here or something that you can see the number? Like, whoa, what the hell is going on here? I swear there's something in the water. How is Neil won 3 times?
Neil, you banned. We're banning him. Neil is banned. Neil, you're banned.
Oh, but there you guys have it, guys.
Nah, and he's the only one who called that number. He's the only one who called it.
243. That was the number, guys.
Tell Neil we'll get it to him now.
Yes, now I can give it to my son. There we go.
Tell him to check his email now.
But John, Neil, just check your emails. We have your details, so check your emails very, very soon. But congrats, Neela. That one goes to you, brother. I don't know how you know this, but that man, I don't know what he's eating, what he's drinking. There's something in the water there. But well done, brother. That one. That is Neela's over there. So that he is our winner. There we go. Yeah, guys, I can say, Neil, I don't know how you do it, but there's something in the water there. There must be. I don't know how, but that man finds a way. Yeah, you guys got very, very close. Like, there was a few of you.
See, even now, also Euro USD looks very, very tempting. But the only thing is DXY broke below that fair value gap. So I'm so scared to sell Euro USD right now.
Yeah, so for me, gold coming for those lows earlier, kind of rejecting. Now it's rejected that zone again to go down. I think this time around those lows are a bit more trusting, if we want to call it that. But well done, Neil. Again, I don't know how you do it, but he is our winner once again, ladies and gents. Gold, guys, this is what I said. Like, there's nothing to trade today. DXY now trying to come back again. Gold, yeah, they're all over the place. It is all over the place, guys. Could just be a reaction over there, but we will see. But Jev, you're not going to take any trade now, eh?
DXY is... okay, if DXY breaks above this fair value gap, and I can have a retest on Euro USD on at 1.07910, I might take a short little sell on it with a stop loss of 7 pips, 7.3 pips. But waiting to see on that.
Yes. What a connect.
Daniel, I wouldn't recommend buying gold because if DXY is gonna push up, gold's gonna push down.
Should we buy gold? Yeah, no, I don't. Yeah, if DXY comes back, yeah, gold's. Whew. Gold might be in some trouble. But yeah, from my side, I think that's it from my side though for the day. Jeff, like you said, you looking at your trade still?
Yes, let's just see if we can get a pullback on EU quickly.
No, that's cool. Bye guys, see you guys tomorrow morning. Have a good evening. Cheers, we'll see you tomorrow. Do I enter sell gold? No guys, it's a ranging market. It's consolidating. Just stay out of it. There's not going to be some massive move you're going to miss. Like, don't worry guys. You are not going to miss out on anything. Enjoying the streams, it doesn't even feel real. Oh, that's the best part. I'm so glad to hear that. Oh, Jev. The real ones. Tina Satini. Chris has been missing you. We haven't seen you in a while, but it is good to have you back. DXY trying to come back, trying to hold that S2. So we'll have to see what happens there. Again, our market's just going to consolidate today. Is that all they're going to do?
I think we can give it about maybe 5 more minutes, and then if nothing, I think we can call it a stream there.
We can do that. Alright, I was just going to give James a trade sometime to see if he can get in on that trade for you guys. And then we'll probably call it after that. Again, guys, market's consolidating. There's just no need to jump in on anything stupid, yeah. I took US30 shorts. You can if we are holding this area, yeah. Yeah, we're rejecting it quite often, so I think the shorts are possibly on the book for you. Yeah. Miss you too, my G's.
Before we go, guys, before we end the stream, I know you guys, some of you guys are messaging me regarding one-on-one sessions. I'm fully booked for tomorrow, but if you want to have sessions next week, moving into the end of the year, feel free to message me on Instagram at @JevenFarrow. And yeah, so let's get yourself into the game so you can start the next year off with the bang, with the right mindset, the right method, the right perspective, and so that you can also go into your festive season with some type of assurance in the back of your mind that everything's gonna work out next year.
There we go. We love to see it. Let's see, guys. Let's see. I'm actually just watching DXY at this point because this thing is just, it has no clue what it wants to do. What was our highest today? Looks like the keys. Do you also do one-on-one? No, I don't, my brother. Unfortunately not. Unfortunately not, my man.
Keegan seems like a very impatient teacher. He will it seems like he'll basically you can't understand.
Yeah, teaching's not really my thing, bro.
I can see you telling someone, if they ask you a question like, bro, I just told you. How many times must I repeat myself? Like, no.
Yeah, no, I could also see myself being that person. I'm not gonna lie about that. That's me, lol. Llamas of Defo Jebs.
That was me actually with my little brother. So he started asking me about trading, and I started showing him a few things. And then because he's my brother, I grew up with him. I used to bully him when I was so younger. Then it's like, yes, Ash. Like, how many times I must explain this? Eventually, I was like, you know what? This is my mentor's course. I studied this. You study it. And he's just been doing well ever since.
That's one way to do it. Just be like, yeah, do this course.
And I must say, actually, also, I'm very proud of my little brother. He's been taking some very good trades that scares me, and to him it's like, yeah, but look what the market's doing, and it's like, yeah. So even him, I'm glad to see his progress, developing his own method, and taking trades that I wouldn't say take, but that's his method as well. Also him. It's beautiful to see everyone's journeys, how they perceive things, and how they manage the trades. It's beautiful. It's an art. Trading is an art.
No, it is. I'd be like, are you dumb or what? Bro, 100%, that would be me. That 100% would be me. I'm that guy, like, I'm gonna give you that look. I'm just gonna get up and walk out. Like, I don't have time for this shit.
Okay, guys, Euro USD is at the zone, but DXY is below that fair value, so I'm not gonna take it. So I'm not gonna take anything further today.
Alright, do you guys have it? Myself and Jeff, we are not going to trade today. Anything else, guys? Market's just consolidating. We got the big one, NFP, tomorrow, so no need to do anything stupid as of yet. So that's it, guys. I think we're going to call the stream there for the day. Again, congrats to Neil. Again, I don't also know how you do it, but if it's magic, it's magic. But hopefully you can give us some of that magic to give us some TPs here, bring the volume to the trades. But other than that, guys, it's been good. It's been good having Jeff back. The energy, my little partner in crime here. But otherwise, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning, bright and early. It's Friday. It's end of the week strong. The opening bell with myself and Chris, and then New York session with myself and Jeff. And again, guys, it is NFP tomorrow. So please, markets most likely to consolidate during the whole session to build up for the NFP. And please, if you're going to trade it, risk a small percentage, even though if you can get slipped. But do not put your house on the trade tomorrow. It's not worth it, I promise you. So please be safe, guys. How old are you guys? I'm 24, Jeff is 25. But other than that, guys, it's been great. We love being here. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Podcast tomorrow afternoon, 100%, guys. Also, don't forget, y'all, we have the podcast and we have the infamous Jamazana, Justin Vessels, in the house. So we'll be talking about him and his little story a little bit. But it'll be good tomorrow, guys. We're going to chill out, have a good session. It's December, baby. We're gonna enjoy the summertime. But other than that, guys, be safe, trade smart, trade safe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace and love, guys.
Awesome,
Cheers.
guys. Check you tomorrow.